All right, this is Total Geek, and we're going to play some Nightingale. This is my first time booting this up. We're going to start fresh, so it's a brand new world, a brand new game. I don't really know much about it. I watched the trailer. It looks good. I like the idea of world hopping, so let's get into it. We're going to play offline. We're going to start a new profile. Welcome to Nightingale. By selecting basics, you choose your body type. Appearance options can be adjusted. Alternative, if you have an appearance you have previously exported. Okay, we don't have one that we've previously. But let's start. Oh, here we go. Okay. One of my favorite D&D characters was a character I played called Romeo Blue. So I use that for a lot of my characters. So this is going to be Romeo Blue.
Before time itself, the realms have existed. Born of curiosity, we opened the first gateway to our endless Feywilds.
Cool intro. I like it. It's good stuff.
The Fey have long since aided man in harnessing that which we live and breathe. Magic.
I want to learn magic.
Amity was known until we Fey retreated from your domain. In pursuit of power, your grasp extended reach. Avarice, pride, hubris. And out flowed the Pale, swallowing all in its path. Some fled its ever-spreading tongue, seeking the city where no Fey may tread. Nightingale. Yet even there, you were severed from assistance, as the pathway between realms collapsed.
I like it.
But perhaps not all is lost, for Nightingale still stands, upholding long-held ideals of progress, enlightenment, and hope. Your path thither is winding and full of terror's nascent realm walker. Wilt thou succumb to Fey lands beyond thy wit? Or wilt thou endure, find the way homeward and rebuild anew?
Let's go. Find new recipes and schematics in the progression tab. All right, so I don't know anything about this game. I don't know controls. So you're going to see me fumbling a lot. So preparing realm. So you're going to see me. We're going to learn together, people. We're going to learn together. I like that opening was really good. Kind of set the tone. I like the steampunk mixed with the magic. This is right up my alley. I love this kind of stuff. If you've ever read any books like Perdido Street Station, what else was there? But just that steampunky style of writing that really gets me. I like that combination. So this should be really good. I'm probably going to cut when I edit this so that we're not just sitting here watching Preparing Realm just flash on screen for however long it's going to take. All right, here we go. Unknown Realm. We're going to continue our journey. We're a realm hopper. We're a realm walker. Let's go. Let's find out what we're about to get into. Just judging from the picture, doesn't look good. Fire. Are we going to hell? Let's go. Continue journey. Where do we end up? That's statues.
Let my words steer your steps.
November 3rd, 1889. Sambungan. Paris is lost. All communication with the city has ceased. The last missive received claimed a substance emerged from the Paris what is that? Transept portal. Since then, only silence. Our work continues in the shadow of this news. The portal, ever present, while we study artifacts brought back from the realms. However, uncertainty gnaws at us, and we are vigilant for anything untowards. Sita left on an expedition through the portal but days earlier. With luck, she will have arrived safely to the warm embrace of Nightingale City. She should return soon, but by boat or by portal, I no longer know. I worry for her. Were we wrong to trust in the portals, in the realms? For now, all I can do is wait.
All right. Interesting. That's probably not good. We're going to axe it up. Okay. Okay, guess you can't do anything with that. I'm assuming you can't break anything in here. All right. Collect essence. Tier 1 essence. Okay. We've got tier 1 essence, guys. What does it mean? No idea. But we got it. Okay, so I'm assuming that's where we came out. Let me guess. Okay, we got a chest. What do we got? Injury salve. Something tells me we're going to need a lot of that. Slide health potion. Nope, 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 no. Okay, I had a health potion. I double clicked it. Did I accidentally use it? Because that would stink. Okay, no, there they are. All right, so we've got different options. So these must be our potions and whatnot, essences, which I guess we'll find out what that is. We have a Charm of Fervor. Restore stamina after killing a creature. Old and dark magic, originally contracted by terrible fae. Okay. All right. So we're in a scary place.
How now, fleshling? Whither wander you, lost in our Feywilds?
I don't like being called fleshling. That's... Okay, so we can either go... Okay, shift runs, sprints. So we can go up. We're going to go down here to start. And just see... Yeah, this is some good sound design.
Show haste, human.
Alright, so we're collecting essences. Like I said, I don't know why we're collecting essences, but we're doing it. Sneaky chest. What do we got? More injury salve. Transfer all? Okay. Can we crouch? Yep. Good old C to crouch. So far, most of the controls are pretty standard stuff. Hey, buddy. Hey. Oh, there you... Yep.
Quickly, before those bound fiends sniff out your despair.
That looks like that was alive at one point. Looks like it's got a head. Had a head. Just testing to see what I can do. I'm assuming you can't do much in this opening world. Hey. So you're a puck.
Shadows abound, yet like a fire's final embers, you refuse to be snuffed out.
Yep.
I come with an offer to guide you to a safer realm and rebuke death, unlike so many of your kin. Oh, under this mask, you wonder. I am Puck. Robin to some. Oberon's merry wanderer of the night, the last furtive fae to grace your kind. Now, take this blood-stained card that you might travel swiftly to the realm of abeyance. Give me your hands, that we may be friends, and I shall restore amends.
How do I... Oh, okay, there it is.
Almost it, Dinkunul Ome. Across the divide, greater gifts await. Partnerships with Wei afford many wonders yet unseen. Hurry yonder, toward portal and apparatus, so you, bare child of Earth, might abscond this nightmare.
Okay, it's got a dialogue history, which I like. Sometimes, you know. Okay. I like Puck. Puck, I like him. I trust him implicitly. Okay, before we go to the portal, though, we gotta explore this place. Yep. And this is why we do the exploring, people. So, slight health potion. Good stuff. Injury self. Okay. Seven slight health potions. 7 injury salves. Something tells me... I mean, so far the enemies are, you know, 1 hit. Something tells me this is not going to always be the case. More. Alright, I think it's probably going to be it. They've done a good job of just making you feel uneasy in this place. Alright, so let's open up a portal. Abeyance. Play this card to seek a realm of relative safety, where one's journey might begin in earnest. Not even Nightingale's oldest magicians have been able to trace the origins of this card. The image imprinted upon the paper brings intense loneliness to mind. Open portal R. I'm hitting R. Oh, wait. So we place it now. Okay, I see. I see.
Fly, Realm Walker. The fiends have caught your despairing stench. Realm Walker, your path forward is winding and full of terrors. Save yourself. Survive the realms. And rebuild all that has been lost.
Good stuff. All right. So far, I'm in love. This is... Okay, let's not go at him with an axe in our hand.
Count thyself among the fortunate few who managed to flee the foul pale. Nightingale still stands, but Earth teeters on the brink, and these wilds are far from hospitable. Sequestered so, and struck by woe, begs the question, wilt thou be a survivor? Find your bearings and acquaint yourself with this realm. Long has it been left in limbo, not unlike you. Though this dismal landscape bears few reminders of its esteemed past, it need not remain so. One final card I give to thee. Play it yonder, at the center of this ancient crossway, and lift the veil of darkness to usher in a new dawn.
Okay. Again, Puck, whoever's doing his voice, great. Play minor realm cards. Okay. So we got the cleansing card. We're going to drop there and apply. Whoa. Oh, dude, that was cool. That was cool.
Now that has made a difference. Quite the mechanism indeed. But you needn't fret over the lofty particulars just yet. More immediate concerns are at hand. The realm you've now cleansed was once the center of the Empyrean network. Long ago, it allowed lesser fae and fleshlings to travel the wilds with ease and accuracy. Though the path onward is presently dormant, it did not meet the same ruinous fate as your human-made network. There is yet a way to reignite these portals, and once thou hast proven thyself ready, I shall lead thee to it. One of my promised gifts should help your cause. A hermetic guidebook and pocket watch, purloined off the corpse of a realm walker. Keep these like close companions as you steel yourself. There is much to do before thy survival is assured.
Puck's got style. Okay. So let's open this load stars. Quick travel location. Okay. Hunting knife, mining pick. Okay, so we're gonna go through. All right. So we got things to do. Discard to seek the realm of relative safely. Minor cards. Okay. Okay. So we could play other cards apparently. M for map. Tab gets me. Okay, so we're gonna be collecting realm cards. That's cool. I don't know. Essence can be obtained. Essence can be acquired through activities. Blah blah blah. Tier 1 essence also required to. Okay. It is used primarily to purchase new progression unlocks or to make purchases at essence traders. It's also required to repair damaged items. Okay, so our items can get damaged. Essence is value, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Okay, so we have a progression. So for 10 essence, I can learn how to make a tanning station, saw table. Learn. I'm not going to unlock anything just yet. I'm assuming they'll probably kind of guide my hand. So we're just going to leave everything just like it is. This looks good. This just looks... I'm getting... Now, I'm an older guy. So maybe this is before a lot of y'all's times. Maybe not. But there's a game called Myst back in the 90s. It was more of a puzzle game. But it had that empty, old feel to it. Sticks. Raw berries. We're just going to collect. Just going to do some collecting. Now then, here, can I? Yes, I can. This is definitely giving me like Myst vibes to it. Just the look of the world. Okay, so I've gone past. Play this card to prolong the effects of a meal. Grow hungry. Oh, so there is a hunger bar. Oh, that's good to know. Got some ore. Slight stamina potion. Okay, take everything. Okay, so there should be... Okay, so got a knife. Okay, so that's good to know I can do that. What happens if I... Nada. What about a knife? Probably not. Yeah, I didn't think so. Okay. So I need to find that pick. And I thought it should have been right there. What am I missing? Oh. It's right there. Okay, so just a normal pick. So we got a torch. Okay. Okay, so you can't... It's not fully destructible environment, which I get. That'd be crazy if you were just going around being able to destroy everything. What if I don't want to use the torch? I'm sure there's a way to toggle the torch so it won't be on, but... Hope Echo?
Incendiary incantations. My dissatisfaction with the typical immolation enchantments has led me to devise an improved version. With further research and more impressive impact, after being asked not to conduct my tests within the Academy of Arcane Sciences itself, I have taken temporary residence in a lesser traveled realm where I will pose no risk to students or faculty. First experiment. Upon first cast, this fireball struck its mark with a delightful crash. The flames did not linger, but the affected trunk was sundered quite expertly. While I am satisfied with the impact volume, I would have appreciated more theatrics in the meteoric tail and initial impact. Those who witness it should be left starry-eyed for no less than 1 hour. Thus, I return to the drawing board. Second experiment, a touch hot upon the hands, but I nearly have it. Blue flame at its core and a grand whistling as it arcs toward the trees. Still, the fire refuses to catch, and the impact is ever so slightly dim. One further revision, and I can return with the fruits of my labor.
The remainder of the page is charged with crumbling. Refined flour. Apply immolation. Okay, new enchantment available. Immolation can be applied to a main hand melee tool. Establish a base. Unlock the estate cairn in the progression menu. The estate cairn can be unlocked for free in the progression menu. So we're going to go here. Estate cairn, learn free. Okay, done. Puck has told me this realm was once the center of Imperial Network and allowed Lesser Fae to travel. In realms, he believes there's a way to reignite these portals once more, but first I must prove that I can survive these Feywilds on my own. My foremost should be establishing a base where I may seek respite. An estate cairn will allow me to return to safety should I succumb to the dangers of the wilds. Okay. Search for the treasured items that linger in a bank. Okay, we've done... Okay, there's 12 of those. Some Fey ruins. Sorry, buddy, you walked right in front of me. How was I not supposed to do that? I figured I... Ah. Okay, I got some stuff. I'm just going to pick this direction for now. And let's just see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Okay, we're going to try to take these guys on. I may die. Okay. Okay. I don't know what this is. What? Okay, so whoa! Hey! Yikes! Was not expecting that. I'm assuming this is a spawn. Okay. They're just going to keep spawning. Easy there, buddy. Okay, so... I wonder if I just leave this guy, if he'll stop spawning. I'm assuming yes, that... I'm getting a lot of stuff and I have no idea what they are. It says there's somebody recruitable. I don't know what that means. Okay. I can kill that, but I don't know if I want to. I kind of like... I'm getting some... Okay. But I may have to. I may have to in order to unlock... Alright. Let's kill these guys. And then I'm going to... Okay, let's... I didn't want to do that. But that's what I figured. I had to do it. Kind of just wanted to be able to farm the essences though, but a real marker, are you? Pleased to make your acquaintance. I could use capable hands on my estate. I could use a traveling companion. Let's play a card game. We might be the only fine souls in this realm, but your appearance is a most welcome surprise indeed. Who are you besides the savior of our little band? Let's see, I was rather accomplished scholar before all this. We're going to go with scholar. Well, I am as well. Pleased to make your acquaintance. Need of more material services, nourishment, equipment, protection. I'm certain my companions here can provide. We've always time for a new customer. Have you heard any rumors lately? Something particular you're looking for? Do you know anyone who could lead me to Nightingale? Perhaps. It seems there is a great many of your fellow realm walkers about, diving from their Nightingale headquarters to realms as near as Sylvan's Cradle. I met one Aurelio Acevedo Ortega as I passed through, and for a man of his years to survive the profession, you must some level skill or luck. Of course, I've no doubt the man was mad. Gold sickness. It had he and his traveling companion so enraptured that they dismissed my politest inquiries outright. Do you know where I might acquire a hired hand? I was hoping to ask you some more questions. That's all for now. Another lost soul. Not to fear, not to fear. Whatever a new arrival to these realms might require, I have available for purchase. For a fair and charitable price, of course. Let's see what you're selling. What you got? Tools. Oh, I've already got those. Resources. Okay, potions, water bottle. Don't know why I would need that, but okay. Roasted berries, roasted meat. Miscellaneous injury salve. Okay. So, nothing I need right now. Every time I take a gander, another one is larking about. If I didn't know better, I ought to think you earth lubbers are hatching down here. Apologies, sir. I didn't mean to trespass on your home. Bloody heaven, stop looking like a kicked pup. You can forgive the lack of tact. I've seen more folks these last weeks than the past 2 decades combined. Truth is, I claim no finder's rights over this hovel. You can tear it down for all I care. Soon enough, I'll be back in the wild's embrace. Not the kind you want, I reckon. I've seen plenty of moonstruck blokes stuffed with powder and steel meet their ends without catching even a whiff of adventure. Before you go chasing for trouble, you ought to have mastered the basics. Yeah, let's, have you even cooked a proper meal yet? Not the frilly dinners from your soirees. Around here, what you find is what we'll do. You can fill your gut eating the same grub day in, day out, but if you plan on standing a chance against the beast in the bound, variety will make you stronger. Go on, help yourself to my campfire. Some warm food will do you good before you hit the road. Suppose it can't hurt. Okay. Now this sort of exchange is to be... If this, we might as well make proper acquaintances. Graham's Tunner the name. Well, I do declare, Graham Tunner's the name. I wish you luck on your travels, Walker. I'll be around if you have need of me. Wisdom. Well, it seems you've chosen to be traveling on your own. Sticking to yourself has its advantages, but seeing as you're only starting out, it wouldn't hurt to make use of an extra pair of hands. There's some fine folks around here who are just idling about. They might agree to join your travels. I'll see about that. Okay. So he's got a campfire. Okay, so I bet. What if I only want... That's fine. We'll just do that. Okay. So we've added fuel. Simple cooking station. Roasted meat. Okay, we're going to do prey meat, and we're going to... Guess that's all we can do. Yeah. Okay. So, prey meat. Craft. Roasted meat. So what did I just do? Did I actually eat it? Didn't look like it. Okay, let's try it again. So we're going to roasted meat, prey meat, craft. How do we eat? Okay, this should not be this complicated. I cooked it. I hit right click by accident, and now I have no idea. Oh, wait. Ah, I see. So now we just hit Q. Okay. I'm with it. I see what's happening. Okay. We've messed around with that enough. Kind of get the idea. Let's get out of here and figure out Rufus. Okay, you're the worker. All right, I think this is a good stopping point. So we're going to take a break. Otherwise, this video is going to be 4 hours long. So if you've liked the video, hit that like button. And if you really like it, hit that subscribe button. And hope to see you in the next episode. So this has been Total Geek. I just want to let you know the world is a crazy place. So be kind out there.